Have you been looking for a way to get a perfect Lagos hairline for your packing gel? Watch this particular video and you'll see a detailed tutorial on how you can get that. So for those of you that doesn't know what I mean by Lagos hairline tutorial on your packing gel, you see this straight line that this design that she's giving to this packing gel hairstyle. This is what we call Lagos hairline. That is how we call it here, but I don't know the name that you guys call it, but that is how we call it. We have it in frontal, and now she's actually teaching us how we can get the design, the hairline structure, and our packing gel hairstyle. So if today is your first time of coming across our video, you're welcome to Favor Beauty World, where I make video about fashion, beauty, hairstyles, and everything between. Please hit on the subscribe button to join this amazing family. Sorry about the noise. I'm so sorry about that. You guys should pardon me. To my returning subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys' love, support, and all the things you have been doing for me. Tell me, have you actually tried out this design on your packing gel? You as a hairstylist, have you tried it out on your customer's hair, or you that is making your hair, have your hairstylist tried it out on your hair, or have you actually done this particular one on your frontal? Because they also have the design on frontal. Look at this beautiful packing gel hairstyle too. This one, they did not add anything like Legos hairline to it, but the packing gel hairstyle came out so beautiful. So it depends on what you want. And again, do not forget that this particular packing gel hairstyle, the hair extension that they use at the tip is so beautiful. This particular one that you're seeing on the screen right now, I think this is a 360 lace wig that she used, because this particular one doesn't actually look like her natural hair. No, it doesn't look like her natural hair at all, though it is beautiful. Look at this packing gel hairstyle too. This particular one is beautiful and is giving what it's supposed to give. Let me ask you, have you tried out packing gel hairstyle or any of the ponytail hairstyle apart from the ponytail braid hairstyle? Have you tried out any of them? For me, I've tried it out and it came out so neat and beautiful. Do not forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment for us. Bye.